morning. So this weekend we decided to take a bit of a long weekend getaway to a town called Delstrom, about 250 km away from Johannesburg. And we decided, because we'd both been highly stressed, highly work focused, just work, 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, and we needed to unplug and regroup and remember to look down and kind of smell the roses, as one may say. And we do these little weekend getaways just for that. So a little bit of a slower vlog, and just, you know, taking it all in and remembering to take it easy, and life is not just go all the time. So pretty cold day in Delstrom. The wind's chilly, there's a cold front at the moment, and Michaela is coming down with the flu. So what do you do in Delstrom when it's cold out? First things first, make a fire. And then there was fire. I'm pretty impressed. Step 2, flapjacks. Step 3, eating. And then the final part to what to do in Delstrom when it's cold and you have a sick girlfriend is play Scrabble. I also want to mention that this is the biggest shower I think I've ever seen in my life. I mean, you can have a whole party just in the shower, well, a dance party. I mean, watch this. One thing I've realized over the last year is that we live in this day and age where we kind of glorify work and being a workaholic. Everyone posts on social media, I'm working so hard, everyone just wants to work harder, and I'm also a culprit of that. Like, I feel that it's like a status thing to be working hard and just like driving towards your dreams, to an extent where you glorify it in a way, and then you kind of become part of that life. And it's not all that good. Well, I don't think it's a good behavior to have, because you just forget to smell the roses again, and you just forget to enjoy the time that you have, and you're not just focused at this end goal constantly. I need to do less of that and more of smelling the roses.
Alright guys, he likes to roam, he likes to go high, he likes to go out. His name is Merlin. Or should I say Merlina, but we don't talk about that. My name is Magdalene, guys. Welcome.